Dear students, in this video we're going to attempt MCQs of the essay Whistling of Birds. Let's begin. First question is Whistling of Birds is an essay by D.H. Lawrence, Beerbohm, Wordsworth, Hemingway. And the right option is D.H. Lawrence. This essay, Whistling of Birds, has been written by D.H. Lawrence, a great worshipper of nature. Next question comes here. The writer compares spring and summer, winter, autumn, or with all. And the right answer is winter. The writer compares spring and winter. Next question is spring is a season of death, air, rain, or life? And the right answer is life. According to D.H. Lawrence, spring is a season of newness and life. Next question is winter is a season of death, air, rain, or life? And the right option is death. According to D.H. Lawrence, winter is a season of decay and death. Next question is the writer does not like dash season. The writer does not like spring season or summer season or autumn season or winter season. And the right answer is the writer does not like winter season. Next question is many birds die in the spring, frost, autumn, or rain? And the right option is many birds die in the frost. Next question comes here. Plants and trees lose their freshness, leaves, fruit, or trunks? According to D.H. Lawrence, in winter, plants and trees lose their freshness. Next question is here. What, according to D.H. Lawrence, prevails everywhere? Freshness, silence, sound, fragrance? Silence is the right answer. According to D.H. Lawrence, in winter, silence prevails everywhere. When spring comes, dash flies. What flies? Winter, summer, autumn, fragrance? And the right option is winter. When spring comes, winter flies. When life comes, death, destruction, frustration, and decay disappears. According to the writer, dash is a very long season. Winter, summer, autumn, raining. And the right answer is winter is very long season. That is why the writer D.H. Lawrence does not like that very season.